हरिः कर्ता।
So let's move ahead. Let's try to explore more about the correlation. So let's look into the limitations of correlation. So correlation does not indicate causality and cannot be used to do so. We cannot infer that one variable is the cause of another even though there is a very high relationship between them. This is very important limitation of correlation. That's the reason I'm repeating again. Correlation does not mean causality. Simple. Correlation does not mean causality. Correlation does not indicate causality and cannot be used to do so. So we cannot simply infer that one variable is the cause of another even though there is a very high relationship between them. So imagine, for instance, that there is a link between viewing violent TV shows and engaging in violent conduct as a teenager. It's possible that a third extraneous variable, we call it as extraneous variable, a third extraneous variable like growing up in a violent household is what causes both of these, and that both violent behavior and TV watching are the results of this. And we are limited by correlation to the information that is provided. We are limited by correlation to the information that is provided. For instance, suppose research revealed a link between the amount of time students spend on their homework from half an hour to 3 hours and the number of GCSE passes, that's 1 to 6. It would be incorrect to conclude from this that putting in 6 hours of homework would be probably result in 12 GCSE passes. So that's how it also gives this is limited. We are limited by correlation to the information that's provided. So these are the main limitations of correlation. Before you apply the limitations of correlation, you should be very clear with correlation limitations so that you can use this correlation properly.